So in this video I'm going to unbox this gear kit that I got from Malossi. It's for a Minarelli vertical engine, so you'd only be doing this if you had a 70cc or up kit on your bike. So this is a 673677 and it's for a majority of the MBK bikes, also Aprilla SR50. That's the kind of gearing. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Comes nicely packaged. Stickers. You've got the primary gears here. Now, straight away see, they're a good bit different to the original. So on the original, the gears are at an angle, and on this one, they are straight. I'll show you this, maybe it's better to see. So here's the original one. Now it's a big difference. So you're supposed to lose less torque with these straight gears rather than these angled ones. I'll show you this one as well. So you can see there's a big difference there again. These are straight, these come at an angle. So originally I didn't want to take this off because I wasn't 100% sure what was going to arrive in the post, but they're straight, so they'll go in either way. There's actually no, yeah, they'll go in either way. Okay, so we'll take this off and we'll put our new gear on, and it can go back on the bike then. Nicely finished, nicely machined. I wouldn't have any complaints about that. So I've got to make sure the nut actually fits. It does. See, it's a perfect fit. So all we're going to do is we're going to take off this larger cog here. That'll come off. This new one will be pressed on. See that it's making the gear a lot longer. That should give me a massive gain on the upper end. So yeah, that's just a quick little video before I install this on the bike.